Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle, which for me is visible right over here. And once you see it, you can just simply press on it. If you're doing this the first time, it will ask you for access to record audio and screen, whatever, so just select that while using the app. Now, this will give you an overlay with a couple options like record, obviously, close, and then here with the speaker and microphone, when you tap on this area, you can choose what sounds will be recorded, so you can select the system sound and also microphone. You can have both of them at the same time, though I would recommend using headphones for that. So from there, we're just going to click on the record button. There we go. And from here, you can open up any kind of application and record whatever you'll be doing. Now, there is a limitation to it. So there are some garbage applications like Netflix, which without even being logged in, as you will see right now, just decides to completely intrude on the my device without a shred of a doubt, without me needing to ever agree to the terms of service, which I would consider is just a no-go. If I didn't need to agree to anything, you have zero right to do anything on my device. But in any case, as you can see, there's content visible right here. So let's stop our recording by clicking on the check mark right here. And this will automatically save our screen recording to the Photos application, which I'll open right now. And your screen recording will be visible under the Photos, but you can later on find it under Albums as well and Videos. This will be obviously an easier way to locate your screen recordings down the line. So, and the reason I opened up Netflix is because what it will be doing, and I want to point out that this isn't limited just to this application. Most streaming platforms will use this, which is already kind of a, I would consider, in my opinion, a violation, considering this feature is designed for your privacy and security. While Netflix doesn't do that for your privacy nor security, what it does it for is their own greed. Now, other applications, for instance, like, by the way, this is Netflix, which had content visible right here. Other applications like bank apps will also utilize this, but obviously it's a bank app, and you can imagine how that would be done for your privacy or security. Now, what it aims to do is block any kind of unwanted gaze from other applications into said application. That would be the Netflix here or bank applications. So as an example, if you download some malware on your phone and it just literally tries to spy on your phone by seeing the screen, capturing it, and then sending it to someone else without your permission or knowledge, then things like the bank apps would just provide that malware with fully black screen. So you can imagine for banks, that is a pretty fantastic option. It might sometimes get annoying because you also can't capture screenshots in it, but all in all, it does give you some kind of security. Netflix, on the other hand side, is just a big middle finger from Netflix telling you that we're gonna do whatever we want on your device, even though you haven't agreed to our terms of service. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.